Good morning. Our lesson today project. Our objectives: to read a poster, to learn how to make a poster. Open your student book page 37. Look at the pictures. What can you see? You can see a poster. Today we are going to learn how to make a poster. Listen.
Module 3. Project 1. Read the poster below. Then ask and answer.
What do you have to do in a library?
You have to be quiet.
What we have to do in a library. You have to leave before 9 o'clock. You have to be quiet. You don't have to pay for anything. You have to have a library card to borrow books. You have to bring the books back.
Listen again.
Module 3. Project 1. Read the poster below. Then ask and answer.
What do you have to do in a library?
You have to be quiet.
What we have to do in a library. You have to leave before 9 o'clock. You have to be quiet. You don't have to pay for anything. You have to have a library card to borrow books. You have to bring the books back.
Today we are going to learn how to make a poster. Writing tip. Use a large piece of colored card. We have a large piece. Choose a place to write about. This is the place. Find photos of that places and stick them on the colored card. We stick the pictures. Work in pairs. Ask and answer question, then write sentence using have to. We use have to. You have to. You don't have to. You have to. You have to. So you are going to use have to in your poster. Write in pencil so that you can correct any mistakes. You are going to write with pencils because if you have some mistakes you can correct it. When you are ready, write over your letters using felt tip pens or colored pencils. You can also stick photos or draw signs next to each sentence. Now, what do you have to do in a library? Excellent, you have to be quiet. Another question, what do you have to do in library? Excellent, you have to leave before 9 o'clock. Well done. What do you have to do in a library? You have to bring the books back. Well done. What do you have to do in a library? Excellent, you have to have a library card to borrow books. Well done. Open your student book. Open your workbook. Think of some rules from classroom and write them down. Look at the box. Be quiet. Side desk. Listen teacher. Keep classroom clean. Work others. Number 1. You have to be quiet. We use you have. Number 2. Excellent. You have to sit at your desk. Well done. Another one, you have to listen to your teacher. You have to keep your classroom clean. You have to work with others. We use you have because we are talking about rules for the classroom. So we use you have to. You have to. You have to. Good job. Open your workbook page 36. Read the poster, then complete the missing information. Use have to or don't have to. See line cam. Number 1. Put out fire. You have to put out the fire. You have to sleep in your tent. Number 2. Look at the picture. Pick up rubbish. Who can make a sentence? Who can make a rule? Excellent. You have to pick up the rubbish. We add you have to, then put the infinitive pick up and complete the sentence. Well done. You don't have to bring food. There is a campsite shop. Number 3. Look at the picture. Who can answer? Not to play. Excellent. You don't have to pay. You don't have to pay. Not pay. You don't have to pay. You have to be careful. You have to be careful. You have to be quiet at night. Number 4. Not to bring tent. Not to bring tent. Look at the picture. Excellent. You don't have to bring a tent. You don't have to bring a tent. We can give you one. Open your workbook page 36. Read and write what have to do in each place. Look at the blue box. At home, at the school, we have rules at home and rules at the school. What we have to do at home. What we have to do at home. We are going to choose from the blue box what we have to do at home. Excellent. We have to set the table. Excellent. Break the leaves. Make my bed. Take out the rubbish. Excellent. We have to set the table, break the leaves, make my bed, take out the rubbish. At the school, what you have to do at the school? Excellent. Listen to my teacher. Excellent. Work with my classmates. Keep the classroom clean. Bring my book. Well done. Thank you. Goodbye.